Exporting markets describe the markets where the US has a comparative advantage. So we are able to produce domestically these products at a lower price than we can sell them on the world market. Here, the world price will be above the domestic market price, and the domestic quantity produced will be higher than the domestic quantity consumed. The difference is the quantity of exports. And just like with our importing markets, we also have groups within the economy that are hurt or helped by exporting products. Compared to our closed economy, you can see that producer surplus is increasing. In the closed economy, producer surplus was equal to this triangle. But with exports, producers obtain a higher price and sell a larger quantity of their products than they could in the domestic market alone. Consumers, on the other hand, have a decrease in surplus as the domestic consumers now compete with foreign consumers to purchase the product, pushing the price up and the quantity down. So in some sense, we have the opposite of what we see in importing markets, a decrease in consumer surplus and an increase in producer surplus. But again, in this type of a market, we also have an increase in total surplus. In the closed economy, total surplus would be equal to the area of this triangle. But now total surplus has expanded by this amount. And so we can see the gains from trade in this market based on the area of that triangle, which does accrue only to the producers in exporting markets. But if we look at both markets as a whole, we can see that total surplus is expanding across the board, leading to the overall view that international trade has made everyone potentially better off. However, there are certain groups within the economy, namely producers in importing markets and consumers in exporting markets, who will be harmed a bit by international trade.